YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today's a hair review. I haven't done a hair review in a while, and you know I like to keep it real. If you see all my other hair reviews, I am very honest, sometimes too honest, but I don't care, you know. If I'm trying to give y'all the deets on a product, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. So let's get into it. As the title says, this is YOLOVA hair. They asked me to choose a wig and I decided to choose this one, and I'm gonna tell you why and the pros and cons. So before we get into the pros and cons, let me show you the packaging. The hair came in this box. This is the box it came in, really cute. When you open it, obviously you're gonna see the wig, and I took the wig out, but this is what you see inside. This cute little quote that they give you: explore your hair journey. YOLOVA is eager to make Black women's hair purchases simple and satisfying. We provide 100% premium hair at an affordable price. Your most imaginative hair journey starts with YOLOVA. Cute. It's cute. This is what came inside the wig for structure. I got some lashes that I probably won't use. I'm not really a lash person. As you can see, I'm wearing mascara, a thank you card, some wig caps needed, and that's pretty much it. It came in this beautiful bag, but I wanted to show you guys the packaging before I get into the details of the hair. Should I start with the pros or cons first? Let's start with the pros. This hair is perfect for everyday use. My OGs know that I'm a student and I can't do my edges every day. I can't do my hair every day, especially with how rigorous my program is. Like, there's just not enough time. So this is perfect. To me, it's better than a headband wig. I was wearing a headband wig for class. I'm just noticing my restroom door is open. Let me go ahead and close that real quick. Y'all in my business. Don't do that. But yeah, I'm a student, so this is perfect for everyday use. Like, I wear this wig literally every day, Monday to Friday, to class. Every day. Like, it's perfect. It's not too heavy. It's, you know, like, I don't know, like, I think it's truly better than the headband wig. I know the headband wig was all the rave like last year and the year before, but I really think we need to bring it back to the bang, okay? Now, I will show you how the wig looked when I first received it. The bangs were here. The bangs were literally to my upper lip, okay? I am no hairstylist, but I had to grab the bangs and like trim it myself to my liking. I did mess it up, not gonna lie, but it's fine. I mean, like I said, I wear it to class, wear it to run errands. It's very light. The shedding actually isn't, like, I get a couple of strands here and there, but as I'm running my fingers through the hair, I got, oh no, it's still attached. I got no hair, so it doesn't really shed. It is affordable. Whatever the quote said, you can believe this hair is affordable. Even if this hair wasn't sent to me, I'm actually thinking of purchasing another wig. I do have events coming up and I need a new wig. So the hair is pretty affordable, which I absolutely love, especially as a student. I mean, I don't only wear the hair down. I like to tuck it behind my ears because that's just me. I need to show off these piercings, honey. Like, I wasn't in pain for no reason. So I personally like to wear the wig behind my ears, or the hair behind my ears. Sometimes I'll do my edges on the side, but for the most part, I leave it like so. And I think like it brings out my face like that way. So I like to wear behind my ears. I mean, sometimes I'll bring it to the front like this. you know, just to be different, just to zhuzh it up. But for the most part, when I go to school, I wear it either back like this, or I have a hair clip that I use and I just wear it like so. Yeah. It did not come with any smell. It smells like regular hair. And trust me, I've had wigs that came with the smell, okay? Didn't come with the smell. I don't know. I actually, now that I'm talking, don't really have a lot of cons about the hair. I mean, I have cons. I'm not saying I don't have cons, because I do. I do. But I actually don't have a lot of cons. Like, I really don't. I'd be lying if I said I had a lot of cons. The company is actually very patient with me. I was supposed to get this video up a long time ago, honey. Like I said, I'm a student, if I haven't mentioned that before, okay? I'm in school. But the company is really nice to work with. They've been really sweet, really patient. I actually don't have a lot of negatives to say, but no. Now let's get into the negatives. I do have to say, okay? My biggest gripe with this hair is I wish it was fuller. If you've been watching me from the beginning, all my hair reviews, I rarely do bone straight, body wave type hair. I just love big hair. I love hair that's full. I've just always been, like, that's just me. I love it. I wish the hair was fuller. It looks, honestly, it looks kind of full on camera. Maybe it's just because I'm used to making my own wigs. I would much rather prefer to buy bundles and make it into a wig, because I like to make the wig the density that's best for me, or that's favorable to me. And this is just not as dense as I would like. I believe I chose the 180. Maybe I should have chose the 200 density option. I don't know. I just heard that, you know, when you have bangs, this is also the first time I've had bangs. I heard when you have bangs, it's not really good to have the hair be too thick. But I should have listened to my gut and chose the 200 density, because I just would much rather prefer fuller hair. But for the most part, that's like my biggest issue with the hair. Not the shedding, it's just the density. Also, I will say the ends they're not that bad, but I probably will go in and just trim it to like right there, just so it's, you know, it's not strangly and dry. I would for sure trim the hair to make it a more favorable, not length, but like just to make the ends look better, truthfully. But the hair isn't dry. It's not dry. I actually haven't done a lot to this hair besides plop it on and trim the front. I don't know. I actually really like this hair. I'm really shocked. I didn't think I would like it as much. Truthfully, I'm the type of person that it takes me about a week before I like any hairstyle, not even wigs. Like, it can be braids, it can be a ponytail. I initially don't like things, but then once I like get into the feel and groove of things, then I start to like it. So that was the same with this hair. When I first got the wig, trimmed it and everything, I was just not convinced that I liked it, which is another reason why I delayed making the video. But now that I've had it for at least, I want to say I've had this about a month. I've had it about a month. I've worn it out. It's in some of my vlogs. Like, I can truthfully say that I would purchase from this company again, even if they didn't send me hair. I'm really impressed. If you have any questions about this hair, let me know down in the comments. Again, I love being honest with my subscribers. Don't like to lie. Don't do that. They did not pay me. They sent me the hair, so I can tell y'all the truth. I mean, even if they did pay me, I would tell y'all the truth regardless. But that's, you know, my thoughts and opinions on the hair so far. Again, it's only been a month, but I feel like a month is enough time to know whether hair is good or not. If you like this video, make sure you like. Alrighty guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. I hope y'all like this quick little, you know, video. But have a nice have a nice day, guys. Bye.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.